Think about the last time you ordered a pizza. It's just comfort food, right? But what if I told you that this simple circle of dough was once a literal lifesaver for the poorest people on Earth? And today, it's a $100 billion industry that sparked wars, changed technology, and even helped catch criminals. This isn't just a recipe. This is the secret history of the world's most famous food. Most people think pizza started in a fancy Italian restaurant, but that's a total myth. In the 1700s, Naples was one of the most crowded cities in Europe. People were starving. They needed something cheap and fast. So street vendors started selling flatbreads topped with, well, whatever was left. Even crazier, tomatoes were actually considered poisonous back then. People thought they were the devil's fruit. It wasn't until the poor survived on it that the rest of the world realized they were onto something delicious. For decades, pizza was street food for the poor. It was considered dirty, even dangerous. But everything changed in 1889. Queen Margherita of Savoy visited Naples, and she was bored of the French food in the palace. Legend says a local baker named Raphael Esposito was summoned to create something special for her. He didn't just make a meal, he made a flag. Red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil, the colors of Italy. The queen loved it. Suddenly, the food of the slums became the food of the crown. Pizza had its first royal stamp. If Italy gave birth to pizza, America gave it a passport to the world. In 1905, Lombardi's opened in New York, the first licensed pizzeria in the States. But it wasn't an instant hit. The real explosion happened after World War II. Soldiers returning from Italy came home craving that cheesy slice they discovered abroad. Suddenly, pizza wasn't just Italian food, it was American food. Thicker crusts, more toppings, and the birth of the delivery box. From the frozen aisles to the local corner shop, pizza became the ultimate symbol of the modern, busy life. As pizza conquered the globe, it started to look very different. And that's when the pizza wars began. The biggest controversy? Pineapple. In 1962, a Greek immigrant in Canada threw canned pineapple on a pizza and called it Hawaiian. It split the world in two. Some call it genius. Others, including the president of Iceland, once joked about banning it. But the drama didn't stop at toppings. The rise of fast food pizza led to a battle over quality versus speed. Is a 30-minute delivery promise more important than the soul of the dough? It's a debate that still sizzles today. Today, pizza has become a blank canvas for every culture on Earth. It's no longer just Italian, it's local. In Japan, you'll find toppings like squid ink and mayo. In Brazil, they put green peas and corn. And in India, paneer tikka and tandoori chicken have turned the classic slice into a spicy masterpiece. We've even seen the rise of the ultra-luxury pizza, covered in 24-karat gold leaves and white truffles, costing thousands of dollars. From a street snack to a gourmet experiment, pizza proves it can speak any language. We've mastered the crust and the toppings, but the future of pizza looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a vending machine that kneads the dough, adds the sauce, and bakes your pizza in under 3 minutes. It's already happening, but it goes deeper. Scientists are now 3D printing pizza for astronauts in space, using nutrient-dense powders to create a slice of home. And with the rise of plant-based meats and lab-grown cheese, the next classic pepperoni might not even come from a farm. The way we make it is changing, but the love for that perfect triangle remains the same. From the starving streets of Naples to the high-tech kitchens of the future, pizza is more than just food. It's a symbol of survival, a bridge between cultures, and a reminder that the simplest ideas can conquer the world. So the next time you take a bite, remember, you're not just eating dinner, you're eating history. What's your ultimate pizza topping? Are you team pineapple or a purist? Let us know in the comments below.